Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Angeline, aka MunchterrDoll on Instagram. So, yes, I am doing another video. What? I know you guys have been basically begging me to make more videos, and here I am trying to do it. So today I am going to try out a different makeup look because I usually do really full coverage, very fleeky brows, fleeky everything. I never go for a natural look. And you know, in Philippines, Filipino celebrities usually do this really fresh based makeup look that I want to recreate, and I've just ordered some Glossier items because I feel like their makeup is perfect for fresh based anything because it's very natural, very, you know, very focused on skin. I didn't buy much because, you know, your girl's not rich. But I bought some things that I thought I would like. First of all, can we talk about how cute this packaging is? I actually bought some of their cloud paints, which is basically blush, and I don't wear blush. If you know me, I do not wear blush, and obviously for today's makeup look, it's inspired by Filipino celebrities, and most of the fresh based makeup look, they have a lot of blush across their face, and I want to recreate that, and I want it to look natural, not powdery. That's why I wanted to try out these. So I'm gonna put some pictures up on the screen for you right now to show you what type of look I'm gonna go for. And pray for me because I do not have the best skin. I mean, my skin has been better since. I used to have loads of acne and lots of scarring, but for now I feel like I've just got a lot of redness, and my face naturally has a lot of veins, and I can't really do anything about that unless you guys know something I can do to get rid of the veins. Please let me know. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna start trying out these makeup. And if you're questioning why my hair looks like a mess, it's because it is, and I can't be bothered to fix it. You're just gonna have to deal with it for now. This is the Boy Brow Grooming Pomade, and it's okay. So today is gonna be like the first time ever that I'm not gonna fill out my brows, and I'm just gonna use this. So I'm gonna use this product for my eyebrows, and just this product, I think. Maybe I'm gonna conceal it after, I'm not too sure, but I am going to try it, and hopefully it will make my eyebrows very full and bushy like it is on the pictures. So I got the color black. Hopefully it's not too dark because I do have really dark eyebrows, like I have naturally black eyebrows. So I'm just going to try that. I don't have anything on my face at the moment as well. Like I said, I want it to be very fresh face. I don't know if you can see, I kind of just messed up a bit at the top of my eyebrows, but it is working, I guess. I don't know if I just have too much eyebrows for it, and the applicator is really small than I'm normally used to. So yeah, I'm just combing my hairs upwards to make it as bushy as I can. If it does get messy, I'm gonna try and fix it with a concealer, and hopefully it won't look too crazy. Oh my goodness, I am just messing it out, aren't I? But you could see the difference compared to my other eyebrows, that it is looking a lot thicker and a lot more bushier. I'm gonna try and remove it with a tissue paper. Oh, that works, I guess. I kind of like it. So I'm gonna try it with my other brow as well, and I'll be right back. I've just put concealer underneath this eyebrow, and I feel like it looks so much better because it's not too messy. I guess I just like my makeup to always look perfect. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, but I try to make it as perfect as I can. Yeah, I just can't help but try and fix it and make it look more neat. On days where I don't feel like filling up my eyebrows, I just do this, and I feel like it already looks better. And then I just blend it out. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so they don't have to look exactly alike. Next, I'm going to start on my skin. Because I have eyelashes on, I don't really put anything on my eyelids. So I'm going to start off with a primer. This is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline, and I do love this product. I feel like this is my favorite drugstore primer at the moment. I feel like it blurs out my skin for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that in the center of my face and then spread it out to the rest of my face, I guess. And I ended up putting concealer on the top of my eyebrows. I just couldn't let it look too messy. It still looks bushy though, so I didn't cheat. I'm still going for that look. So moving forward to the skin, I know that Glossier has a tinted moisturizer and they don't really have foundations, but I didn't get myself one of those because I know I won't be using it because I do love my full coverage. But I am going to try and achieve a very natural look by just using a concealer and skip the foundation. So the one that I'm going to use is Naked Skin, because you know we want to look naked face wise anyway. So I'm going to be using the shade Medium Dark Warm. To help me blend that out, I'm going to be using the Badescu spray. I'm gonna start blending it out. I know a concealer is meant to be a lot thicker than a foundation, and putting it all over my face is basically like putting a heavier foundation, but this concealer I feel like is very light and it's so easy to blend because it's a bit watery, so it's not too cakey when I put it on, and I still see a bit of redness on my skin. I don't know if I'm gonna continue with this or put powder on first, because I know that it's a liquid blush and I don't know if it's gonna mix with my powder, but I have seen reviews saying that it looks good on top of powder as well. But to be safe, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use it now. I've got two colors, which one is Dusk, which is a more nude color. I've also got Storm, which is a more rosy red. I got two because they have a bundle and I think you save a bit of money if you buy them as duos. I'm gonna mix them both on the back of my hand. Ooh. That's a nice color, but that scares me because that's really red. Putting a bit of this. See, it's very nude. Like if it was a lip color, I would wear it. I think I put a bit too much on there, but you know, we are going for that very rosy cheeks. So we are getting like a mauvey color. So just gonna, I guess, apply it. I look like I'm gonna go to a war or something. And I'm using my fingers because it says that it's the best way to apply it. And I'm applying it across my nose as well because that's where they put that color as well. I'm kind of glad that I put this before the powder because now I feel like the powder would settle the color a little bit. I look like I'm sunburned. I don't want to waste this, so I'm going to try and use the whole thing. I'm going to use my my beauty blender as well to blend it out a bit more so the edges are not too crazy. And then now I'm going to use this Vichy Dermablend loose powder, and it's white, well it's clear, so hopefully it doesn't mess up with the color. So I'm gonna put literally a little bit because I don't want the glow to be taken away from my face. So I'm probably gonna do a really light contour just to add warmth to my face. Not too much. And obviously you can't be glowy without actually adding the glow as well. I'm going to be adding highlight. The spray, the same spray I used to blend in my foundation, which is the Badescu, and then add the glow. I'll put that on the top of my cheekbones. Also, you guys should really let me know if you prefer me speaking on my videos, or do you just prefer it like sped up and then music in the background, because I actually really hate when I speak on camera. I don't like how I sound, but if you guys like it, I'm gonna continue doing it. I won't be offended if you say that my voice is annoying, honestly, because I agree with you. So I'm gonna spray it one more time. I feel like I've not done enough, you know. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but it's just because it's very natural and I'm not using a lot of products that I feel like I've just done it so quickly. Last but not the least, I'm gonna be doing the lips, which I'm so excited for this because I love lip gloss. I love the look of lip gloss on other people, but I feel like I just can't find the best one for me. And I've heard so many good things about the Glossier Lip Gloss, and a lot of people say it's the best lip gloss ever. And I have the Fenty Beauty one and I love it, but I feel like it could be better. I feel like I could find something better, and hopefully this is it. I'm just gonna clean my lips. I know a lot of people have been asking me as well if I put lip liner on my lips, like around my lips. But I don't do that. It's just the natural color of my lips and I can't really help that. I don't smoke or do anything like that to make it dark. It's just always been like that ever since I was little. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got a pink tint to it. I have high hopes for this. I don't know if I should put a lip liner. I feel like I shouldn't. I should just test it out by itself. I'm speechless. That just made my lips look so smooth. Listen. It makes my lips look so plump. It doesn't have a flavor to it, which is kind of sad, but you know, it's not about the flavor, it's about the formula, it's about how it looks like on your lips, and I think it looks amazing. It made it look so smooth. I wonder how it would look like with lip liner as well and mixed with other lipsticks and stuff. I'm gonna have to experiment with that, but this is basically the finished look. I'm done and I love it. It's very natural. I feel like, I mean, natural for me, because I didn't put as much as I do. Like, I didn't bake my face, I didn't put foundation, I didn't do like a proper contour, because when I contour I even bake underneath my contour to make it very straight and stuff like that. I didn't contour my nose, I just put glow and I love it. I think I'm gonna do this more often if I'm in a rush and stuff. And I feel like I should put blush more often as well, because these, I love it. I feel like even if you don't have anything on your face and you just put this, you will instantly look glowy and healthy and not dead. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this very minimal, barely there, very pink makeup look inspired by a lot of Filipino celebrities. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're not already. I promise you I will be uploading more often. And if you have any video suggestions, please don't hesitate and comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram as well, telling me what you want to see from me. I think I'll be doing a lot more than just makeup and hauls. Please follow me on Instagram at MunchterrDoll, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!